friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn how can we upload a profile photo on the Slack app. So let's get started. Once you open the Slack, you will get this page. Now you can see here profile icon. In this you have to click on the edit option. Here upload photo, click on this. Take a photo that you want to add here. You can see your photo has been uploaded here. So first you just need to adjust this photo and you have to click on this save. Now you can see your photo has been uploaded here. If you want to remove this, you can just click on this remove photo. So now click on this save changes here and you can see your photo has been uploaded. So this is your new profile photo for this app. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.